Sometimes when I'm reading the news, a tool just comes across my desk that really captures my imagination. We're going to talk about today called Up. I'm going to give you a very, very quick demo. Example, the IP command, IPA, show me my IP address. I want my Wi-Fi address, WLP8S0, so I want to find this. You can see how this would happen. If you're familiar with Linux, grep is like a search thing, so I could just search for that. And now I already get the line, but this is a bit useless to use in a script, so I want to assign this to a variable, like IP is this. This is a bit useless here. So this, because the whole line isn't my IP, right? So we need to make further pipes to chunk this data down, and we can now use up for that. So download up, figure it out, pipe it into up, here we go. So now we have an interactive pipeline. This is super cool. So let's do the same grep, WLP8S0, because I want my Wi-Fi interface. Now it's returned on 2 lines here. Is that because I'm zoomed out? Nope, it is just 2 lines. It must be 1 line because it's return. Oh no, sorry, it's on both. I didn't see that here. So it has returned 2 lines, but I want the second one. So there's multiple ways to do this. You can go like tail, M1, get the last line. Head would not work. No, that would return them both. So yeah, you tail to get the last line, or you could just do another grep. This is dangerous because it runs the command. So I'm just going to grep for what's not here, inet. That looks correct. Geep, grep. Okay, there we go. So now it's returned 1 line. Okay. Now I want to pipe that again and get the IP address. So how do we do that? We could, so this is the second column. So we can use awk as a column printer to print. This basically says these are separated by spaces. So take the second thing. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there we go. And now we have the subnet mask, which we don't want. So how would we remove that? There's multiple ways to do it. You could regex this out. You could, I'm going to use cut. So cut is a bit like awk. You can use them basically interchangeably, but cut, you can specify what you want to separate things by. So here I want to separate by this slash. So cut D for delimiter, slash, and then field 1. This would be field 2, this would be field 1. Field 1, show you field 2 as the subnet mask, which you don't want. There we go. That's our pipeline. Now, because I developed that in cut, I can just copy that, IPA pipe, copy, delete the extensible pipe, because that now means OR. Okay. And now I can assign that to a variable, IPAdder equals the output of this command. And now I can go echo. Magic. Pipes are awesome. It's Linux Sudoku.